Alrighty, YouTubers, happy Easter to everybody. We made it. It is April 1st, April Fool's Day. Oh boy. Poor mailman had to work today. Just got this in the mail from Amazon. The link is be down below if you guys want to make a purchase. We are in the smart age technology with Alexa and all that goodies coming out. And this is another component you can add on to it. And this is coming from, let me double check. I think it's two different names. Here comes the rip, but hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. There we go. This is from SIEGES. SIEGES. Oh boy. Boom. Multi-function socket. Power converter. Smart patch board. Fast charge. Nice. This is definitely going to be coming useful. Like I said, it is functional with all your smartphones, tablets, PC, gaming systems, consoles. And like I said, also with Alexa, and I think Google Assistant. Don't quote me on that though, but I know for sure my Alexa's probably going off because I keep on mentioning her name. But this is what she looks like. Ooh. Some nice hardware. So you get 1, 2, 3. That's not too bad. 2 USBs. Power. Ooh, nice little Velcro straps. Always. Boom. So you can tie it down. Not sure how long the cord is. The extension, maybe 6 feet. Oh, jeez, you guys can't see. I'll just do like this. Panorama. I would say about 6 feet. Let's see these. Yeah, you can go on the App Store, Google Play. Available on the iPhone. Oh, it's a beta version right now, so this is something new. Yeah, buddy. Okay, all you gotta do is there's a QR code scan, all that good stuff, and do the Wi-Fi. Simple. I'm gonna do it in a minute. I'm gonna have to grab my other phone that's in charging right now and set it up, and then show you guys how it works. So give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. Okie dokie, here we go. Got it plugged in. Boom. And now I'm going to see if I could do it really quick on my other phone, my 8 Plus. And here we go. I'm going to get the QR code, I do believe. Unless you can also search and home. Oh, okay. Maybe I could do it on the Alexa app. Oh, I already got the program and home. It's already downloaded. Sweet. Alright, so I'm going to move over the stuff. I don't think there's a switch unless I got to scan that also. Okay. Yeah, see, for my power plug. Smart socket. What would this be under? Oh, multi-function socket. Power on the device. Let's see if you guys can see. Oh. Is it blinking? Power and confirm. Just stand still. Maybe I gotta reset or hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let me enter my password. Let's see if I can do it in one shot. Getting good at these smart devices now, or these new smart switches and all that good stuff. Definitely, it comes in handy having this new technology out. Oh, ooh, boom! Awesome. And I can call it whatever I want to call it. In case you want to tell Alexa, turn on switch. Whoa. Oh, wow. Switch 1, you can put TV. Switch 2, cable box. 3 could be PS4, your gaming consoles, Blu-ray. USB could be your phone because that has a rapid charge. 2 USB ports for 2 people. Awesome features. And here we go. And like I said, you guys can check them out. The links are going to be down below. I'm going to see the other app really fast. Boom. There she is. Alexa. Oh, see, I was jamming to that song. Woo. I want to add. I forgot how to do this. I never thought I would be getting like an Alexa. I never thought it would be useful, but I was wrong. Definitely, it's a nice thing to have in your house. Makes it a lot easier. Alright, smart home. Add a device. Ooh, baby. Hopefully she could find it. Oh, it's loading fast. So maybe she's gonna recognize it. Let's see, pick it up. Oh man. Alright, maybe it had to be on. See, now it's that. Let's see if I'm right. Come on. What was that? And again. Alright, 3 strikes and I'm out. But we saw what it did on the app, on the at-home app, so maybe I had to tweak something. Well, we saw what it could do, how many options, which is really good. Wait a minute. Come on. What the heck? What am I doing wrong? See, I got my other devices all hooked up. I might have to tweak it out. I'll go back to the other app in a second. Dang. I was hoping. Let's see, maybe she could tell me what I do. Come on. Come on. Blinking. Dang. Alright, one last time. I might have to adjust something. I'll go back to the other app. Man. Dang. Alright. That's not working. I don't want to get into that right now. Why can't you work? second. Let me read it, see if it could say anything on. I just think it shows and home. Oh, that's like the echo. Echo. Alright, maybe I gotta go like this. Go to that app, and home. Home. I don't know why I'm doing this again. Oh boy, one of those days. Come on, buddy. I don't understand why is it that color. I'm not sure what color it's supposed to be. No, 28%. Okay, it says blue LED light. Is that? Oh. It's supposed to be on red. That means it's open. Alright. Oh, yeah. And now my other phone's gonna die. Lovely. I do got another video coming up too also, so stay tuned for that. Alright, see? Got that. Okay. Maybe I'll flip it to yeah. Let's see, hopefully this time now, since it's all set up, it's going faster. Come on. Dang. Still not a... Let's see if it can pick it up. If not, we already seen it on the app, so that's good. At least we know it works, but I'll figure it out later on today. Alright, to get that working with the Eco. Here, I don't want to pair, drop in, sounds. Yeah, I don't know. I don't need a new device. Alright, this gotta be the last time. I don't understand why. Should this pick it up right away? Unless I'm doing something wrong, but I did it with the other switches. No problems, but Bluetooth's on, Wi-Fi's on, nothing. Sorry, YouTubers, I wish I could have showed you the Alexa version, but we got the and-home version, which works, so that's a good thing. We know it works. And like I said, this will be coming Very handy to be using. But like I said, it'll work. I'll get it to work. Everything will be good. And maybe in my other videos, I'll show you guys once it's set up that it's working. So YouTubers, be safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.